Sometimes the best adventures in life are the least expected. Whether it's an impromptu night out or a spontaneous getaway, we know it's important that your hearing aids can keep up with wherever life takes you. Get the most out of any situation with the freedom to personalize your listening experience with our Remote Plus app. On-demand adjustments, convenient preset programs, and easy remote support from your hearing care professional are all available to optimize your hearing experience. If weekend plans turn into a tour at the aquarium, the app's Clarity button can add a little extra boost to speech and improve listening in the moment. Or, if you find yourself in a loud, noisy environment, you can use our Comfort button to reduce unwanted environmental sounds. You can also tailor your listening experience to wherever the day leads using the app's optional, convenient preset programs. These programs can be customized by selecting options to enhance speech, reduce noise, and focus the microphones. Any adjustments are retained for easy access during a similar situation in the future. To further improve your hearing experience, the equalizer feature allows you to control bass, mid-range, and treble frequencies. Regardless of where your next adventure leads, you can feel at ease, knowing you're never too far from the expertise of your hearing care professional. Remote Adjust allows them to deliver professional fine-tuning from their office while you soak up every moment of your day. You can also keep them up to date on your successes and challenges through the app's rating and comments section. The Remote Plus app also assists you through app-based coaching for easier day-to-day management and maintenance of your devices as you begin your hearing journey. While you may not be able to predict every detour or change of plans, with the Remote Plus app and your Unitron Blue hearing aids, you can feel prepared for the situations you know about ahead of time and the ones you don't. Because amazing experiences come out of the blue.